Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Elementor for beginners. Elementor is a fantastic drag-and-drop page builder for WordPress, empowering you to design stunning websites visually without writing a single line of code. It simplifies the entire website creation process, allowing you to craft unique layouts for all your pages and posts. Even the free version offers a robust set of tools, including over 30 essential design widgets to get you started on your creative journey. It's incredibly intuitive and user-friendly. To begin, ensure the Elementor plugin is installed and activated on your WordPress site. Once ready, navigate to your pages, create a new one, or choose an existing page to edit with Elementor. You'll then see the intuitive Elementor editor. Simply drag and drop any of the available widgets from the left-hand panel directly onto your page canvas. After placing a widget, click on it to access its settings, allowing you to customize its content, appearance, and advanced features with ease. Understanding Elementor's structure is key to effective design. Your pages are constructed using a clear hierarchy: sections, columns, and then widgets. Sections are the primary containers, spanning the full width of your page, and they hold your columns. Columns, in turn, divide sections horizontally, allowing you to arrange your content side by side. You can easily adjust the width of any column by simply dragging the resize handle located between them, giving you precise control over your layout. Once your layout is set, it's time to bring your design to life. Utilize the Style tab to fine-tune colors, typography, and background elements, ensuring your page looks exactly as you envision. For more granular control, the Advanced tab offers options for padding, margins, and even engaging motion effects. Before making your page public, always preview your design across different devices, like desktop, tablet, and mobile, to ensure it's fully responsive. Finally, click Publish or Update to save your masterpiece and go live.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.